Hello and welcome everyone, and this video I'm going to show you here about help you through that if it's still ready to be about to make a swipe. So first of all, to make a swipe in Figma, this is gonna be actually to be important to deal with some things that is related to it on this video, through that which is going to be about to give you here important progress that is still to be about to be done on the moment, that it is still to be right here by the way. And what you're gonna do is about follow this video. It's gonna be actually to be important to deal with some things that is related to the way that we need, because it's already to be done with many things that is still to be really debating on how this can work, even if it's not be about be tried on that. Okay, so really what you're gonna do is about start to go over here on the way, which is going to be actually called okay, let's see now what we're gonna see about swipe. So we can start type swipe and then start to show it when swipe is actually done here. So that is already needed for that, and that is all about to help you.